So in this video, I'll be showing you how to join a sect in Where Winds Meet. Now all you need to do is simply ensure that you've reached at least level 20 and that you've completed the first campaign quest. Once you've done all of that, you're now able to join a sect. So to join a sect, simply open up the menu and then scroll through the different options until you find sects and select it. From here, select Join Sect and then scroll through the different sects, read their information, their rules, ultimates, and legacy, and choose the sect that you think suits your preferences. Once you've selected your sect, simply select Entry Clue, and then all you need to do is simply track the entry clue so that you can continue and join the sect. Bear in mind that this sometimes means going ahead and talking to people who are currently around you. So for example, if you wanted to join Well of Heaven, you'll need to talk to this waiter and he'll give you the next clue that you can use so that you can go ahead and complete your quest to join a sect. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video.